Hi friends, my name is Hitesh. Today video given information about the Herbalife product Afresh Energy Drink. Start the knowledge about Afresh. What is Afresh and Herbalife? Herbalife Afresh is an energy drink mix assisted in improving your metabolism. Moreover, this Afresh energy drink aids in rejuvenating your mind and body and enhance energy and mental alertness. Is Herbalife Afresh good for weight loss? Herbalife Nutrition Afresh works as a perfect meal replacement that helps to reduce the calorie intake and, in turn, helps you manage your weight. This amazing drink contains personalized protein powder that contains a blend of whey and soy protein that will help you become lean and let you achieve your fitness goal. Furthermore, Herbalife Afresh also helps to improve the digestion and reduces the buildup of fats in your body. If you consume all these together, then you will gain healthy body weight. So if you are still in doubt that is Herbalife products good for weight loss, then the answer is yes. Herbalife Afresh weight loss drink is one of their best products. Most of us drink tea despite knowing its adverse effects on our health. I felt that this drink is way better than tea and has absolutely no bad impacts on our health. Apart from this, it benefits and eases the process of weight loss as well. This drink serves best for everyone who aims to be healthy. This is why I decided to share the product details with you. I will be adding the links in the description so that you can easily buy the drink. I have tried to give a complete analysis of the product and have kept it brief at the same time. My motive is to suggest you the best. This is why I have drawn a comparison of Herbalife Afresh weight loss drink with the tea we drink in our day-to-day life. This way you will be able to make out in a better way that why you should start taking this Afresh weight loss drink. Benefits of Herbalife Afresh weight loss drink: improves metabolism. Everyone wishes to have a good metabolism. Herbalife Afresh drink improves your metabolism. This contributes to better functioning of the body organs, hence, making you healthier and fit. This drink also relieves your mind and body. Therefore, its intake helps you feel relaxed and lively. Increases energy. This drink makes you feel full of energy, whereas tea does not provide any energy. The drink takes care of your cholesterol level as well and works towards maintaining it. On the other hand, tea increases your cholesterol. Not maintaining the cholesterol level increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This makes clear the need to replace tea with something better. Helps in weight loss. As discussed earlier, the Herbalife Afresh drink helps to ease weight loss. This is why the Afresh drink is completely free from calories and sugar. Tea contains both calories and sugar. Therefore, if you have set weight loss goals, it is time to switch your drink. The Afresh weight loss drink is packed with energy. Our body stores energy in the form of carbohydrates. This makes it an essential nutrient. But, nearly 45–65% of the calories we take come from the carbohydrates. Weight loss requires cutting down calorie intake. This is why the Afresh weight loss drink is calorie-free. But, as carbohydrates are essential for our body, completely excluding them from our diet can be hazardous. The Afresh weight loss drink, therefore, contains a regulated amount of carbohydrates which is as low as 0.88 milligrams. Tea contains around 250–300 milligrams carbohydrates. Therefore, everyone who wishes to achieve their weight loss goals should first switch to healthier options. Helps in detoxification. The weight loss drink also detoxifies your body. This means it removes all the toxic substances which are of no use from your body. Tea does not detoxify your body. Helps in getting relief from acidity. When the acid level produced inside our stomach increases, it causes acidity. Acidity can lead to heartburn, dizziness and severe pain. The Herbalife Afresh weight loss drink reduces acidity. This is a great plus point of the drink. Tea, on the other hand, is known to cause acidity. Hence, is not healthy at all. Beneficial for skin. There are certain free radicals which harm the body's skin cells. Antioxidants protect the skin cells from the effect of free radicals. The Herbalife Afresh weight loss drink contains antioxidants. This makes your skin healthier and contributes to making your skin good and glowing. Tea does not contain any such antioxidants. Absence of antioxidants can cause heart diseases and diseases as severe as cancer. Hence, making it an important component which we should include in our meals. Keeps the body hydrated. 60% of our body consists of water. Water, therefore, is extremely essential for us. We need to keep ourselves hydrated to maintain the water level of our body. If your body is dehydrated, you feel weak and dizzy. This affects you greatly and you are not able to carry out daily activities efficiently. The Herbalife Afresh weight loss drink keeps you hydrated, whereas tea dehydrated your body, hence, is not good to go option. How do you make Herbalife Afresh? Just take 2 scoops of Herbalife powder with 8 ounces of non-fat milk and enjoy this refreshing drink. You can also blend the powder with ice or your favorite fruit for a perfect smoothie-style drink. This drink is a great source of nutrition. It is also a healthy replacement for tea, which has many adverse impacts in your health. According to me, the Herbalife Afresh weight loss drink is good to go option and I personally recommend it to everyone. It is worth a try. This Afresh drink costs 666 Indian rupees, but you can also buy it at a discounted price. Go ahead and buy this drink and feel energetic, enthusiastic, hydrated and full of life. Stay healthy and happy. Thanks to watching my video, and like a video you like it. New information and new product. Meet tomorrow, friends.